Today's fan video is sponsored by Jergens, the official lotion of Fantwerps nationwide. Unzip and play. Thank you, Johnny. We have a Vornado fan over here. You have seen this before on the channel, but it never looked this way before. And the reason for that is I gave this fan to Lexmarks 567 for him to redo. So before we get into it, let me show you just a quick blurb of this from the previous video from I don't even know because I didn't look when, and then we'll come back and go over it and all that. See, it'll stall here for a while. And it'll gradually pick up speed. The sound of it is being exacerbated by sitting on the washing machine. Alright, we're back. So here is the same fan. The story goes, I have this outside the basement window here and use that a number of times over the years. When I used to host Thanksgiving in March, we had this set up once and it was cool enough out, and this moves so much air that it cooled the whole basement down. It was just perfect. But I was a bad boy, and I left it outside. Now, it's not outside. It doesn't get rained on, but it's exposed to humidity. The paint job on it was original from the 1950s, all that, so not good all around. And it got really rusty and all that. I used to use this as a kitchen exhaust fan back when we had our apartment many years ago, and it worked great for that as well. One interesting issue with it is it always took forever for it to get up to speed, and that is depicted in the first video I had on this fan, so I do urge you to go and watch that. There's a link in the prescription. That's the thing that tells you about the video. It's usually below it. You might have to hit see more or show more or something like it's there. It's all in the prescription. Go to it, click the link, watch the video. That's it for this one. Thanks so much. Okay, no, we're gonna. So it's similar in color, but not the same as it was. Love the paint job. It's not perfect, but it's presentable in the best way possible. It looks good. Lexmarks 567 also oiled this. This does have oil ports on it. You can see it right there. There's one, and I don't know if it had another. But he had to cut the plug off of it to get this going. So we put a new plug on it. I don't think the cord is original either. My father may have put that on. The story with this fan is my dad found this thrown out. It's actually part of a twin window fan. Big metal frame, had this and another identical one next to each other, and a speed control. I have a video on that speed control also. There's going to be, once again, a link. Where would it be? Where would it be? Where do you think I would put the link? That's right, in the prescription. Wow, it's fucking rocket science here. So, yeah, fucking fan. Difference is now it spins right up. I don't know what he did. I oiled the hell out of it. Never did a damn, but now it works. So go ahead, turn it on. I don't have my watt meter right now because it is being used for another purpose, so too bad. We'll plug it in, apply power. Fan! That's blowing right at the camera so you can't hear me. It's a fan! Probably good now. That's it's got one speed because it just plugs in. But there is a speed control for it. Like I had said, that is here. It's filthy still. I never cleaned it. I'm not gonna. And it goes with it. So let's hook this up. I don't know if this still even works. I don't know if that's on or off or what. We're gonna find out in just a second. So we'll unplug that, plug that in. Come around here. 2 outlets on it because each fan would plug in its respective one. It's off. So that part works. Sounds the same as before, so that may be high. No, it works. That would be medium. And that would be low. Alright, let me come around the camera. So now we gotta play the fan spin up and down fucking game. So that's from low. We'll do startup on low. We'll turn it off again. We'll do a startup on medium. Spin down. Startup on high. So here's a question. How much air does it move? A piece of toilet paper will only become tattered if the wind is too strong. So that doesn't do any good. If it's used, it may not flop around if it's got shit all over it, so that doesn't help either. Yeah, there's this thing called an anemometer. I got one. It's right here. You know that because it tells you right there. I bought this years ago at Tiny Middle. Actually loaned it to Sharky626 one time many years ago. If I could find the video that he used it in, I will link that in the prescription as well. This is it here. It's got a fan in it, except another fan has to blow that fan. So we'll turn it on. Turned on the other day. There it is. And that is measuring in feet per minute. What is feet per minute? What does that mean? I don't have a fucking clue. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. But feet per minute can easily be converted to miles per hour. It's a quick Google search for that, but I know most of you fan twerps only are here for the fan, and God forbid you actually find out what anything fucking means, except the blades on the fan go round and round, round and round, round and round. So we're going to hold this here and turn on the fan, and we'll see what it reads. I'm going to hold it at, well, let's get it set up right. We'll put it over here. I'll turn it this way so it's kind of blowing at me like that. And then we'll go ahead and hold this about a foot away or so. We'll do low first. About 610. About 610. No, even more. Depends exactly where I hold it. I'm getting upwards of 900. We'll call it about 850. Medium. Over 1,000, 1023. And high, 1122. 1141, 1240, and if I hold it closer and closer, it'll go faster and faster. Take it out of the windscreen and watch it. Oh wow. So the question is, what do those numbers mean? Like I said, I don't know, but I can tell you that if you have $1 and then I give you $10 in exchange for that $1, $10 is more. The bigger the number, the more air it moves. So that's it. The other fan that was part of the window fan was, I believe the motor had open windings. It was a lost cause, and that's really it. So this fan has been restored by Lexmark 567, painted up nice to look pretty. I'm not going to leave it outside anymore. That was a bad idea. I thought it would have been all right, but oh well. Anyways, that's it. It's here. It works. It's back. It looks beautiful. Thank you once again to Lexmark 567. Last hurrah. We'll spin it up and down just so you can get off one more fucking time. And there the fan has spun down. So now, if you're extra sore, don't forget to check out Jergens Ultra Healing, because that'll probably help it to be prepared for the next fan video that I'm probably not going to make until another one comes by, which could be never, could be one day, we don't know. But anyway, big thanks once again to Lexmark 567 for restoring this fan. Works excellent, excellent, all around, just fantastic. The quality they used to build, this was back from, I believe, the 1950s, just like the Rex Cole Hassock fan. There's going to be a link to that in the prescription you can watch also for more Jergens pleasure. I thank you very kindly for watching, and I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.